In this video, I'll be showing you how to sync iPhone with iPad. But anyways, getting into it, the easiest and most reliable method to sync your iPhone and iPad together is by linking both devices to the same Apple account. This creates a real-time wireless bridge, meaning any photo you take, note you write, or contact you add updates instantly across both screens. So what you want to do is sign in to the same Apple account on both devices. And what we can do is so just go over to your settings, click your name at the very top, and make sure the email you see is the same one for both your iPhone and iPad. Now, once your accounts match, you can choose exactly what data layout passes between the two devices. So once you're in this section again, go over to iCloud. Then under the Save to iCloud header, tap See All. And then you're going to see everything that's currently synced up for your iPhone and iPad together. So I can toggle switches on or off. So if I want my photos, I can just go ahead and click on that. I can sync this iPhone, and now it's going to also be synced to my iPad as well. And you can do that with literally anything else that you want as well. If I just go back, it's going to allow me to sync anything else too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.